This is a little town of Grapevine, close to Dallas, Texas. I've never been here before. Church bells. Some nice little stores. Got a Warhammer Citadel. That's an interesting stop. It seems to be closed. I'm gonna go across the street and see what's there. If anybody ever played the Warhammer games. Warhammer. Look at all this. That's interesting. All Warhammer oriented. Closed. Pretty big building. I don't think it's all full. But we got the Warhammer guy. Brother Morgan. Let's take a photo of Brother Morgan. Hello, Brother Morgan. Now we got a photo of Brother Morgan and us. Very quiet, this town. But that's a Rolls Royce over there. We're gonna go back on the other side of the street. You got it. I'm going.
Wait to cross College Street.
Hi.
College Street.
Okay.
There we go. Look at this old Texas house. Nice. Some cafes. Interesting. When I got onto this street, there was a couple Lamborghinis right on the street, so it must be a pretty wealthy area. Or maybe just my assumption. Could be a wrong one. But it's nice. The weather is gorgeous right now. 80, no, not 80, like 70s. I can cross this way because there is no sign.
Still blue.
Ice cream. Landon Winery. Oh, that's cool. I love Sugar Shack. Ooh la la. Dino's Steak and Claw House. Let's see what their ratings are. Dino's Steak and Claw. Well, as far as I can see, 4.5, 956 reviews. Seems like a pretty good place to eat. Chocolates, fudge, ice cream. A lot of ice cream places and candy. And shops were closed. That's cool. Oh wow. It's all Texas themed. Texas coloring book. Maybe I could buy this for my daughters. Maybe not such a bad idea. And my kids love coloring. But I'll bring them here because they're very close by. Their favorite toys. Paw Patrol.
Rage is 6.
Aw.
That's funny.
Chili beef on the loose.
Not too silly.
Good loud.
It's all together.
Yeah.
So when is this from?
The other day.
Ooh, that bird's pissed. It is pissed. Yeah, I like that. Maybe I'll take a little bit more of a walk later. That's a nice little town. Grapevine, Texas, guys. Grapevine, Texas.